Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope that all you guys are doing well today. Today, if you clicked on this video, then you know what we're here for. I'm going to do a very basic tutorial on how to prep your silicone fingers to get them ready to get you guys practicing, doing your nail enhancements, all of the great things that you guys are going to be doing. So, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Let's get straight into this video. Hope you guys enjoy. So in front of you, I have Silicone Finger. I purchased this from Amazon. I have some primer for a silicone practice hand, which I got from Red Iguana. Nail resin, which is nail glue, and a full cover nail tip. So let's get straight into it. What is the purpose for prepping it? Well, as you see, the finger doesn't have a nail. You can't just take a half nail tip and just place it on here and then practice, because you won't have anything to practice on. So you would need a full cover nail tip to practice on top of. Now, if you did want to just practice like this, by all means you can. I'm not saying that this is what you have to do, but if you are here, you want to know how to prep it so that this nail doesn't pop and wiggle around whenever you're doing your enhancements on top of it, whenever you're practicing. So this nail acts as the nail plate on a human's hand. So first, we're going to take our nail primer, take a very thin layer and just wipe it on here. You don't need a lot, but just make sure you get in the nail grooves, get up under here in the nail pocket, up in there, so that if you did end up wiggling the nail around too much and you put it in and this is glued down but it's not glued down under the cuticle area part, it will pop up like that. Let me see if you guys can see. It will pop up. So make sure that you put enough silicone primer inside of the pocket so that everything is glued down. So next, we're going to take our full coverage nail tip and you're going to place it and adjust it to the desired length. I typically like to have mine with a little free edge, nothing too dramatic to where I would have to clip it or file it or anything like that. And then you're going to place it in. Sorry, let me just get it out some. And be sure to choose a full coverage nail tip that goes from sidewall to sidewall. You don't want to have a tip that doesn't go from sidewall to sidewall, because when you go to do your enhancements, it's not going to be on the nail. So now we're going to take our nail resin. Sure, is that focus? Open that up. And at this point, we're gonna, so you can do it one of two ways. You can do it like this. Open up your nail tip, take the brush and put it in like that. Or you can take the finger out, the nail out, brush on the glue, slide in, and then press and hold. I would recommend that you do it this way because the glue dries instantly. Like as soon as you put it on, it dries. So you don't want your brush to get stuck onto the primer, and you don't want your nail to glue down the wrong way. So do it like this, pop that open, take it, push it in the back, Put your desired amount of glue, and then we're going to take our fingers and hold that in place. Remember, be sure to get enough glue back here. It doesn't have to be a lot. And hold it until it dries, and it should dry instantly. And there you have it. Now you have a nail plate on top of that nail bed. And now you're actually free to go ahead and do as you please. And I'm going to give you guys a demonstration on how I would go about practicing with it. So here, now you can take a nail tip, a half nail tip. You will take your file and buff the shine off of the nail right here. So that when you put your tip on with the glue, it sticks. It has a rough surface, so it can stick on easily. So I'm going to take my tip, I'm going to take some nail glue, put that on there. I'm going to take my finger, I'm going to hold it, I'm going to match it up. I'm going to put it on there. Hold it, press on there. You can even take your finger if you don't feel as though that your glue dries fast enough. Put your finger on the part where the glue is connected and hold it there for a second so that the warmth from your finger dries it, but it should dry instantly. My finger is sticking. And then voila, you have a prep finger, which is ready to be practiced on. And you can do anything on here. Your gel, if you wanted to paint your nails, if you want to do acrylic enhancements, and it's all ready. So there you have it. I hope you guys learned a ton today. Thank you for watching the video. If you've gotten this far, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. What you really want, what you waiting on?